You get an email or text that looks official, maybe from your bank, your delivery service, or even your employer. It asks you to verify your account or confirm your password, and before you realize it, you've clicked the link. If that happens, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Clicking a phishing link doesn't always mean you're hacked, but what you do in the next few minutes determines whether your data stays safe or not. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do, step by step, the moment you realize you clicked a phishing link. If you clicked a suspicious link, the first thing to do is disconnect your device from the internet. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable. If you're on mobile, enable airplane mode immediately. This prevents any malware from communicating with external servers. If a download started automatically, don't open it. Delete it right away. Hackers often use phishing links to push malicious files that look like PDFs or invoices, but they're actually installers for malware. Phishing sites are designed to look identical to real login pages. If you entered your email, password, or credit card details, assume they're stolen. Write down exactly what you entered, the website URL and the data, like your email or password. You'll need this for recovery later. Then close the tab immediately. Don't try to undo it or test it again. Now go directly to the official website, not the phishing link. Type the address manually, for example, paypal.com, outlook.com, amazon.com. Log in and change your password immediately. If you use that same password elsewhere, change it everywhere. Hackers test stolen passwords across multiple sites using a method called credential stuffing. Use a password manager like 1Password, Bitwarden, or ProtonPass to generate unique, random passwords for every account. This prevents one leak from compromising all your logins. If 2FA wasn't already enabled, turn it on now. Prefer app-based authentication over SMS. This adds a second verification layer that hackers can't bypass even with your password. If the phishing site already captured your password, this single step can stop them from logging in. Next, scan your device for malware. Windows, use Windows Security, Defender, Full Scan. macOS, use Malwarebytes or ESET. Mobile, check for unfamiliar apps or browser extensions. Delete anything you didn't install yourself. If the scan finds threats, quarantine or remove them, then restart your device. Check your email and bank accounts for suspicious activity. New login notifications, password reset emails, unrecognized transactions, messages sent from your account. If you find anything unusual, contact your provider's support, bank, email, etc. Explain that your account credentials may have been compromised. Follow their security recovery process immediately. If financial information was entered, like card numbers, call your bank's fraud department, ask to freeze the card and issue a new one. It's better to replace your card than risk ongoing unauthorized charges. Don't just delete the phishing message, report it. Forward phishing emails to reportphishing@apbg.org, Anti-Phishing Working Group, or use the Report Phishing button in Gmail or Outlook. If it came through SMS, take a screenshot, then delete the message. Finally, educate others. Phishing is the one cause of personal account breaches, and awareness helps everyone. If you clicked a phishing link, disconnect your device, don't enter data, change passwords, turn on 2FA, scan for malware, watch for suspicious activity, report the attack. Clicking a link is not the end of the world. Inaction is. Take these steps right away, secure your accounts, and you'll stop most phishing attempts before they do any damage.